Hi guys, welcome back to the Nail channel. Today we're going to be making a Mystic Dragon nail set. So we're going in with 2 coats of serious black to start off with. Now we're going in with one of our chrome pigment powders. And rubbing this over the full nail. It's a beautiful chrome colour, it shines like a greeny gold. Just buffing this in with the sponge applicator that comes in the pack with the chrome. And now we're going to top coat it to protect it. And we're going in with Clear as Day Builder. Flash curing this so it doesn't move. And going in with some more Clear Builder. Here we're creating like a scaly, swirly textured pattern. Just making sure I flash cure it just for a quick 30 seconds in between, just so it doesn't move anywhere before we start the next swirly line. And going in and top coating all of this before popping it in the lamp for 60 seconds to fully cure. And now we're going in with Serious Black again. Just painting a thick line across the middle section of the nail. Now we're using the Poison Ivy Cat Eye gel polish and making a circle in the middle of Serious Black. I find you get the best results from using a dotting tool. And in with the magnet to activate those little magnetic particles in the gel. And then we're going in with Serious Black just to create the pupil in our eye. In with Clear as Day Builder again. Just to create a raised 3D effect. This will act as the eyelid to the eye. And in with Snow White now. Going in with a matte top coat over the black section with the eyeball just to protect it. And giving it all a wipe down with some gel residue remover. Now we're going in with our second layer of Snow White over where we placed the previous. Now take a dotting tool and scrape in some squiggly lines into this uncured Snow White gel polish. This is just to create some texture and make it look like the dragon scales. And the same on the bottom, scraping some texture lines into uncured gel. And in with that same greeny gold pigment powder. In with top coat just to protect this. Now we're going to use a new product. This is a 3D gel. We're just going over the eye just to give it that raised effect. This makes it look super realistic. Now we're just going in with the top coat over the whole nail design. With bottle green, we're just painting 2 layers down and curing them. Now we're going in with just a little piece of sponge and Spring Meadow and dabbing this into the nail to create an aura effect. A little trick, if you sprinkle some crystal clear acrylic powder over the wet gel before you cure it, it makes applying the next layer even easier. It gives you that airbrushed, seamless blend effect. Just keep repeating those steps until you're happy with how it looks. And now we're going in with the top coat just to smooth out any of that texture from the clear acrylic powder. Now I've mixed Clear as Day Builder with some Serious Black and I'm just creating some raised 3D lines. And in again with that same greeny gold chrome. Using the Clear as Day Build Gel again, just to adhere some rhinestones. And the same process with Serious Black mixed with Clear as Day Builder to create the raised lines. Just sticking on some gold nail art decals with Clear Builder again. Once you're happy with the placement, cure them in the lamp for 60 seconds and go in with your top coat. And now with this next nail, we've done the previous steps that we did on the previous nail with the bottle green and Spring Meadow dabbed on with a sponge. Now we're just going in with Serious Black and a liner brush and just drawing a border around the whole nail. Now we're going in with some horizontal lines and connecting them to the outside border we've just drawn, just to create like a scaled effect. Doing this all the way along the nail and trying to keep the lines evenly spaced apart. Cure for 60 seconds and in with our beautiful chrome pigment. Going in again with that 3D gel and just filling in all the gaps we made in between the black lines. Making sure to cue it in between so it doesn't slip and slide anywhere when we go into the next part. And in with your top coat of the whole design. Now for the last nail, we've gone in with a bottle green base. We're just painting a French in Serious Black. Chrome tip. Add a top coat over your design and buff over with a fine grit buffer, and then apply your black for your chrome, and wherever you've buffed, the chrome will not stick to that section. Now we're going in with Clear Builder just to create some 3D lines. And in with your top coat to seal everything in. And that is the Mystic Dragon nail art set. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.